Hello everyone, you have to take the hairs on the sides, tie it like this, fix it by taking small section of the hairs and fix it on the back like this. Tie the hairs properly as shown in the video, fix it properly one by one as we are tying it and put the hair clip to fix it first. Now follow the same step for the other side. You have to tie the hairs like this from the sides. Now fold it carefully, now fix it together on the back like this. So tie all the hairs like this together as shown in the video and then make a ponytail out of it like this. Fix the hairs properly. Now after making the ponytail, tie it and stretch it and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the hairs on the sides and then roll it like this together. Now after rolling it, take the hairs on the other side like this and fix it. So now after fixing it, tie the hairs together on the back like this, put the hairs and then rotate it. Now after that, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides again and tie it like this and then roll it. So now after rolling it, fold the hairs properly like this and then we'll be fixing it on the other side like this. So first we'll be fixing it on the right and then on the left, so fold it on the alternative sides. Now after tying it with the rubber band, we'll be folding it or just rotating the hairs like this. Now fix it and then pull the hairs a little bit and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail like this. So tie the hairs and make a high ponytail as shown in the video. Now after that, we'll be rolling the hairs like this. So after rolling the hairs, we'll be folding it upward to make a tight bun. So just fold it like this and then make the bun on the top like this. Now we'll be fixing it with the rubber band like this on the top and put a hair clutch and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. So now take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back, take the small section of the hairs and then rotate it. So now after rotating the hairs, we'll be taking the hairs again from the sides, tie it on the back and join the hairs like this together. Tie the hairs properly as shown in the video and then rotate it. So now after rotating it, fix the hairs on the back by pulling out the hairs and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.